Hello there. Do you want to install games on emulator without internet? Thinking of installing PUBG Mobile Lite or Call of Duty Mobile on emulator without internet? Well, in this tutorial I'm going to show how to install any game on emulator without internet connection. Continue further for the desired result. In my case, I'm installing PUBG Mobile Lite. But you can install any game. The process is same. Now take your phone. Open Play Store and search APK Saver. Install the software on top. Now install ES File Explorer software. The software has been removed from Play Store. I will be giving download link in the description. Now go to APK Saver software. Then save ES File Explorer and your desired game APK. In my case, I'm saving PUBG Mobile Lite. Okay, our APK is saved. Now go to File Manager. Now move these software into new folder. You have to make new folder in the main directory, else you may not be able to access from computer. Okay, we have done our work on phone. Now, we need to get files from phone and set up on our emulator. Now connect your phone to computer using USB. Make sure you turned on file sharing option. Now open NOX emulator and minimize it. Then go to phone storage, then our created folder and install the two software we have saved before. After installing, clear recent softwares from emulator. Again go to USB phone storage. Now go to Android folder. Go to OBB and copy your desired game's OBB. In my case, I'm copying PUBG Mobile Lite OBB. Now go to NOX emulator. Click on File Assistant option from right menu and click Open PC folder. Now paste the file on download folder and wait to finish. After done copying, open ES File Explorer software from NOX emulator. Now go to download folder and copy the OBB file. Make sure you copied the folder, not only OBB. Now, paste the file into OBB folder under Android folder. If you don't see OBB folder, make one yourself. After pasting OBB to its main location, delete the old one and download folder to save storage. Now connect to the internet and open the game. Done, you have successfully installed whole game offline. Consider subscribing and liking if it helped. Comment if you are facing problem installing. Good day.